Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to solve the false low water alarm issue on your Knova ice maker. First, make sure that the water tank is indeed full. Even though the tank is full, the machine is showing a low water alarm. This is a false alarm. To ensure machine in ready condition, let's turn off the ice maker for 30 minutes before proceed next step. Open the cover and remove ice bin from the machine. After, stand the machine for 30 minutes, drain out all water from the tank. Sometimes a clogged filter can cause false alarms. Let's remove the filter to check it. Use a brush to clean the filter. Make sure to remove any dirt or debris that might be clogging it. Use a toothpick, slightly rotate water inlet area to check if the pump getting blocked or not. Now let's put the filter back in place. Make sure it's properly installed. Refill water to the tank, then put ice bin back to the machine. After completing these steps, restart the ice maker to see if the issue is resolved. If the alarm disappears and the ice maker starts working, the problem is solved. If the problem still isn't resolved, we recommend contacting Gevi customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.